Hello Mike and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. I will be covering the homepage, then I will move on to citations, and then we will talk about backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can actually tell you that overall the layout is really good. You have the click to call button, you have the slider is really nice, all of the pictures that you have performed, and all of the complementary services that you have done there, the before and after. This video is very engaging, the service areas. So in general terms, it is a very well laid out front page. You have the contact us form over here, and you're also linking to your social media accounts. I would probably change just having and adding a contact us form down here. So just make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, right now your homepage is around 667 words. And content is really important because it's through content that you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. Then let's have a look at Arizona artificial lawns. And these guys have 914 words on their homepage. And then you have the synthetic grass store. These guys have 510 words on their homepage. So it's an opportunity for you there to explore and add in a little bit more content and just making sure that that content that you add is buyer intent keyword. So I came here to the Google search and I type in artificial grass Phoenix and I can see what companies are advertising. This section is really good at driving traffic and generating leads quickly. Then you have the Google Map packs, and this section alone is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to be listed here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, and the details on those directories need to match those of your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details and can rank you at the top. Now the third section that we know is we know it as the Google Organic Search, and here is the two companies are Arizona Artificial Lawns, and then we have the synthetic grass stores. To rank here, you not only need a safe, secure, and responsive, a responsive website, but you also need a website that has the content and the right content. So that's just for Google to find you. Then the other section or the other component is something that we call backlinks. And right now I am looking at your website, Turf Monsters. I am looking at the back end of your website and I can see that there are 152 external websites directing traffic towards your homepage or your website. If I have a look at Arizona Artificial Lawns, these guys have 83 external websites, so a lot less than you do, that are directing traffic through 309 backlinks. And then you have the synthetic grass stores. These guys have 262 referring domains and the backlinks is 3,660. So just bear in mind that not all backlinks are created equal, and that means that there are backlinks that can actually be spammy and can hurt you because they are coming for foreign countries, but you actually want to sit and have an email sent out to you by an organization that actually uses your services, or by organizations that are relevant to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, so that Google can verify you for those connections or that network that you have or that referencing, because that's the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites or which companies have the most relevant websites according to the way the users are performing their search. So so that's backlinks. If I have a look at the organic keywords, so you are currently being ranked for 1,900 organic keywords. And in here, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times that keyword is searched for per month. And then the position is in which position they are appearing for that particular keyword. So you can see here that you're actually ranking for quite a number of good keywords, and you are at the top as well. So you must be getting a lot of traffic, and you probably understand the reason why having a powerful website is important. Let's have a look at what Arizona Artificial Lawns are doing. What they are doing. They are being ranked for 649 organic keywords, so a lot less than yours. And then when you look at that, at their rankings, they are ranking on the first position for Arizona artificial lawns, and the search volume is 200, but because they are on the first position, they were able to drive 73 visits to their websites just for that keyword alone. Artificial grass Phoenix has a search volume of 250, and because they are in the second position, they were able to drive 51 visits to their website. Phoenix Outdoor artificial grass for dogs and artificial grass and dogs Phoenix have a search volume of 100 each, and because they are on the first position, they were able to grab more than 37% of the traffic for those two keywords. So basically what I'm trying to say is that you want to make sure that your website is correctly built, has the correct keywords, so that you are being found for these particular keywords. But not only that, you want to have a relevant and strong backlink profile so that you can rank at the top. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information on your own, or please also please give me some feedback regarding this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.